Hello friends, today we are going to be making Russian Blini with ground beef filling, which is amazing and I suggest to try it, it's very tasty. So let's begin with the Blini. In a large pan mix eggs, salt and sugar. Your milk need to be warm, so add half of the milk to the mixture and mix. Add the flour through a sieve to the mix and mix really well so that you won't get lumps. Add the rest of the milk and continue stirring. Now add baking soda and continue stirring as well. Now the last step, add sunflower oil, mix and let it rest for 15 minutes. Now when the mixture has rested, stir it a little bit and the pan need to be super hot. Grease it with a little bit of oil and now pour a little amount of the mixture on the pan and spread quickly on the pan because the pan is very hot. So quickly spread it around and fry for about 1 minute each side and basically your blini is ready. It's kinda simple recipe and I think that everyone would be able to handle it. And then we will get to the meat. Now roughly cut the onion and peel the garlic, and we will be grinding them together, the onion and the garlic. So now with regard to spices, you can add whatever you want. I added khmeli suneli, which is a Georgian spice, and I'm sure that a lot of people would not have it. So if you have it, add it. If you don't, add whatever you want. So now let's mix the meat with the spices and the onion with the garlic, and let's get to frying. Put a little bit of oil on the pan. The pan needs to be hot. Now put the meat into the pan. The onion would give a lot of liquids, so you need to simmer the meat until the liquid has evaporated. When the liquid evaporated, your meat is ready, and this is perfect for the filling of the blini, because it will make it really soft, the simmering. So now you see that the meat is ready, and let's get to the construction of the blini. It's pretty simple. Just follow the video and your blini is ready, and enjoy.